So I'm just testing out the GoPro. It's the first time I'm using it. So I just wanted your guys' feedback then basically. So I'm looking now at my phone now, it looks the GoPro doesn't have a screen. But yeah, the angle looks lekker on it. Yeah, it's just a random video basically. Then if you can hear me, how's the sound and stuff. So just let me know. I'm gonna just walk around the car and then just drive with it maybe. So if this footage is well, I'm still gonna edit the video and put it up. So it's a test run basically. Like it's a lekker angle, I think. But yeah, stay tuned. So this thing I'm putting on is basically I bought it long ago when I had the GoPro. It's a chest mount. So I'm just gonna maybe do some footage seeing how it is driving like this. As you can see this, then you can see me. But there it is, it's a chest mount. So I'm just gonna test the angle out, but I'm still not sure how the sound is. Like I said, this GoPro I have doesn't have a screen on it, so I don't know how it looks. So I have to look from the phone to see. This is basically my monitor. This is a Hero 5 GoPro. So I got it as a gift, so I need to make use of it now because it is something quite. So finally, so I don't think I will probably do my vlogs and stuff with the GoPro. I'll maybe use it just for features around the car, man. Like put it while the car is driving, like for that you know, that sound of the exhaust, sound of the throttles. But yeah, it's gonna take some money to buy the different mounts and stuff. But I'll get there. So for now, I'm just getting myself used to the GoPro and testing it out. So this is basically my review on the Hero 5. Okay, let's just start up quick. So yeah, I see the chest mount is a bit low. Maybe we can maybe do one with a head mount in future, or chin mount. But yeah, feel like I'm working in the FBI with this mount on my chest here. But yeah, let's go. I don't think the stabilization on this GoPro is as good as the newer ones, but it's decent. So here we go, hitting the road now. Not sure how the footage looks, but okay, I think it's skew. This is my monitor basically. Road is a bit busy, so let me just focus here quick. Going past a crossing here on the main road, and from there it should be a bit easier to drive, more smooth. definitely need a other mount to let it mount higher though, because then you can get like a nicer POV. But yeah, let's see. Maybe I can do some car spotting also on my way to work and from work, if I get the head mount or whatever. Like Mr. Snapshot Media. I'll do a short pull for you once I get the open road. Yeah, then we can also test how the sound is for the engine and induction sounds and stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna be reckless. I'll just go easy into the gear. The quiet thing about this angle, you can't see the speeds. But yeah. But I think I'll enjoy the GoPro as time goes along, because it seems like it is much more compact, but it's not the quality I want, man, in terms of, you know, for feature quality. So like I said, I'll maybe use it for different angles of the car while we're driving. So just let me know, pause that video and comment there how the sound is first of all, how's the quality, and then how's the stabilization on this. So I am using the chest mount now, obviously, but yeah, I think I'll switch it up now to a different angle. Angle number 3. Let's just see how it goes. Taking this mount off quick, and then yeah, buckle up for YouTube. I'm driving uphill here at the moment. Just take it a bit slow on this road because it is bumpy. But yeah, nah, this GoPro is actually freak liquor. Compact, and it's easy to carry around. You're right. Hey? It was fun, it was lekker.
Where you live here?
Get from work, man.
Oh.
You on my video?
Huh?
You on my video, yeah.
Can I get a pic?
Yeah? There's a car here in the way, man, right quick. Very fuzzy here, sorry guys. Yeah, you're on the video, yeah.
How are you, buddy?
Okay, see you then.
Welcome.
Salam. So yeah, tell me to give me a review. You have to do it when the boys are awesome. Because we were also that age at one stage of growing up. So. Yeah, it was very unexpected now. All caught on the GoPro. So yeah. Still driving uphill. Uphill, guys, so the car sound like car review or anything, man. It's just to get a feel for what the GoPro is about and hearing your guys' feedback. So comment in the comments, let me know. Yeah, that actually just made my day now, seeing that random boy and the smile on his face and him asking me to rev the car and saying he watched my videos. So a big shukran to you. Yeah, that made my day now, and it was captured on the GoPro, the test footage. Actually a quite Killarney angle, no? To use for racing and stuff, which I think I'm also gonna do. So I'm maybe gonna mount it in the cars and owners can let me know at the track if I see them. I see a FN2 here in front of me and he's on this side, so hopefully can get some K-series sounds. Let's see if he's gonna open up a little. Let's see if I can get next to him. Just waiting for the robot. And then we see there's a car in front, man. Sound is, but hopefully it's good. You know, when you come by a tunnel you must always drop a gear just to get that sound. That's what I hope now. now, guys, just comment there basically. What do you think of the quality? Just be honest. But for me personally, I don't think it's worthy to have, like, for interview purposes, man. Like with the phone that I use, because the quality is much better, but the angle on this thing is quite low. It's a very wide angle, so I will consider using it for, like, maybe POV driving, like here, like sitting like this, changing it up, putting it at the back maybe. If I get like quite enough mount, the suction mount to put in by the engine bay and stuff, the throttles and stuff like that, I'll also use it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this test review, and yeah, testing out the GoPro. But yeah, stay tuned for more, and check out my latest video. It's on the AE92 bubbles, so a group of them showing the love for the bubble shape, or the AE92 shape, as well as the H-Day video. So check that out. That video is getting some nice views, and like the boy said, now that I got along the road in this area, he watched that video, I think. So let me know what you think on this video and this footage. For this GoPro, like I said, it's more for action type of shots, man. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.